Hey, it's Mr. Bailey, and I'm sending you this email because you're signed up for either biology or honors biology this spring semester through Caldwell Connect with me. So I'm going to show you in this short video how to get to the Google Classroom that we're going to use to study biology. Um, there are two easy ways to get there. Now, if you're logged in and got to this email, you're logged into Google. But remember that on the next day and the next day. If you're not logged into Google online, you won't be able to get to Google Classroom until you do. So log into your school account. Now, when you're logged in, the easiest way really to find Google Classroom is just to go to Google Search and type in the word classroom, hit enter, and the first result that pops up is almost always Google Classroom. So if you click on that link, it will bring you to a page that looks like this. Now, if you've been in Google Classes before, they're going to show up on this page. But if you haven't, it may be a blank page. I don't really know what it will look like, but it'll look something like this, and it'll have a little plus button up top here. I'll tell you about that in a minute. But first, let me show you another way to get here. If you're in email or you're just on a Google search page like this, there is also another set of boxes right here. It's like 9 little boxes in a square. If you click that, that's going to bring up some options here, and one of them right here looks like a chalkboard is Google Classroom. And if you click on that, that's going to bring you back to the same page we were at a second ago. That's just an easy way to get there. If you're in email or something like that, it's easier to do that than to go to a search page. Now, once you get here, you're going to need to join my class. And what you'll need to do is go up here and click this little plus button up in the right-hand corner. That's the join button. You click that and you'll choose the option join class. And that's going to bring up something that looks similar to this. It's going to tell you who you're signed in as and make sure that's correct. And then it's going to ask you for a class code right here in this box. It wants you to enter a class code. Now, the class code is what I provided you in the email. If you look back in the email where you found this video, there's going to be a bold highlighted code that's several numbers and letters long. And you'll type it exactly into this box right here and then hit enter, and it will take you immediately to the Google Classroom page. When you get to the Google Classroom page, it's going to look something like this. That's my Google Classroom. You'll see it's Biology Spring 2021, and that's biology and honors biology combined. And you'll see an announcement right here at the top from me about what to do for today. It'll be right here in this space. I don't have it in here quite yet, but it'll be right here, and it'll tell you what to do next. Now, if you have any problem getting in the way I just told you, let me know. Reply to this email, and we will troubleshoot it and get you in really quickly. But for now, that's all you need to know. Go put that code in to Google Classroom and join, and I'll see you again once you get in here. Okay? All right. See you later.